Nick, have you seen Emma lately?
No, Sarah, she isn't at home.
I've been trying to find her everywhere.
Oh, Sarah, I haven't seen her either.
I don't know what to do.
Maybe she's busy with something.
I'm worried. She usually responds quickly.
She didn't answer your call?
Her phone has been silent.
Let's check her favorite spots.
Good idea. I will post on social media.
Why do you want to post her?
To see if anyone else has seen her.
Maybe she's at the library or the coffee shop.
Emma can't hide for long. Thanks, Nick.
You may find her there.
I appreciate your help.
Let's keep searching.
Look over there. She is sitting.
Oh, thank goodness. Where is she?
Emma is sitting on that bench near the fountain.
Oh, Emma is over here.
We've been searching everywhere for you.
Looking surprised, Sarah.
Nick, what are you doing here?
We were searching you.
Your phone was off and we thought something happened.
I'm sorry. I needed some time alone.
You scared us, Emma.
Next time, at least send a text, Emma.
Life's been overwhelming lately.
I promise. Thanks for caring.
Both of you were friends.
Emma will always be here for you.
I know, let's grab coffee and catch up properly.
Grateful thanks to you all.